Imagine a group of tiny galaxies, millions of light years away, breaking every known rule of how the universe is supposed to work. These 5 galaxies defy logic, challenge science, and might even rewrite what we think we know about the cosmos. Astronomers have stumbled upon an incredibly rare find, a group of 5 interacting dwarf galaxies located 117 million light-years from Earth. These galaxies, designated D1 to D5, are doing something thought to be almost impossible. They're aligned in a nearly straight line. 3 of them rotate in the same direction. 2 are physically pulling on each other, creating stunning tidal tails of stars and gas. Why is this such a big deal? Because, according to the most widely accepted model of the universe, this shouldn't be happening. Dwarf galaxies are tiny compared to giants like the Milky Way. They only have a few billion stars compared to our galaxy's trillions. But what makes these 5 special isn't just their size, it's their behavior. 2 of them, D3 and D4, are locked in a cosmic tug-of-war. Their gravitational pull is distorting their shapes, creating mesmerizing streams of interstellar gas. The largest member, D2, is 275 million times the mass of our Sun. But the smallest, D4, is just a fraction of that at 14.7 million solar masses. Here's where it gets even stranger. Studies show that less than 0.004% of dwarf galaxies would ever be this close to one another. And yet, here they are, defying the odds. What's really puzzling scientists is this: 3 of these galaxies are spinning in the same direction. How is that possible? According to the lambda cold dark matter model, the universe's leading theory, galaxies form in random chaotic clusters. Alignments like this shouldn't happen. Some researchers now believe these galaxies might have originated from the same cloud of gas billions of years ago. Could these dwarf galaxies be remnants of an ancient galactic collision? Or are they offering a glimpse into a cosmic process we've never understood before? Understanding dwarf galaxies isn't just about solving one mystery. These tiny galaxies hold the key to our universe's past. Scientists believe that early in the universe, gravitational forces smashed small clouds of gas together, forming the first dwarf galaxies. Larger galaxies like the Milky Way likely grew by devouring these smaller ones. In fact, more than 20 dwarf galaxies orbit the Milky Way today, but none are grouped like this. This group of 5 galaxies has turned science on its head. Could this discovery rewrite our understanding of how galaxies form, or is it just the tip of the iceberg, hinting at more mysterious forces shaping the universe? And what if, just maybe, our current models of the universe are missing something big? The cosmos is filled with secrets waiting to be unraveled. This rare group of dwarf galaxies might just be the next great key to unlocking them. What do you think is the secret behind these mysterious galaxies? Leave your thoughts below. And if you want to explore more mind-blowing discoveries, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Cosmic Enigma for more journeys into the unknown.